Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here to see this video. I will be doing a tutorial using the It's Freakin Bats palette from Shroud Cosmetics, and this was a collaboration with Betty Jean, and her username is Beautbean. It's so cute. This is what the palette looks like inside. The colors are really pretty. And this would be my finished look. So if you are interested in watching this short tutorial using that palette, I hope you keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, ring the bell. I do upload once a week, sometimes using Catholic content sometimes, but in other cases it would be beauty related. So I hope you stick around, and if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. And with all that being said, I will get started. Okay, so I already primed my eyelids with a little bit of foundation, and I used the Flare Beauty matte setting powder just all over that on my lid, so the priming is done. So there's so many beautiful colors in this palette, as you can see. A lot of like green tones, blue tones, purples. So I think as my crease shade, I am going to be taking the shade called Trappa, and it will be this shade right here. So we'll put that as a transitional crease shade. I mean, we'll see how that looks. Okay, so the next color I want to choose for pretty much an all over lid shade, I want to use this one called Sam, and it looks like a duochrome. It looks like it's green, but at the same time it's got like pink in it. Very interesting. So I'll just use my clean finger and I'll put that all over the lid. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Okay. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like all over the lid, and it's so beautiful. It's so shiny. It's like, it's pretty amazing. I don't have anything like this color in my collection, and what's really amazing about it is that I had just swirled my finger into it, and I was able to apply just that application with both of my eyelids, so I didn't have to like double dip. It was just like a one swatch, one done situation. So that's really, really cool. That means the formula is really smooth. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, to make it a little bit more smoky, I am going to be taking a shade called Dreary. It looks like this shade right here. And I'm just going to put it in the outer V and a little bit on the lower lash line. Just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and just blending everything together. Okay, so looking through this palette, there's not much inner corner shades. I mean, there's this one, but I kind of see it as like a all over lid shade. This is an all over lid shade, super pretty. And this one too. Okay, so I have this one, and it's from Looxi Beauty. This one was like $3, and I got in a bundle with the Butterfly Kisses 2 collection. It came out recently, but this is in a shade called Dido. So, let's see. Okay, so this shade is like a green base color, but it's got a shift of like pink in it. It's really pretty. I'll show a swatch of it. Okay, so you see it's green, and then when I flip it, it's got like a pinkish tone. It's really pretty. I thought this would be perfect for like an inner corner shade. It's a really pretty shade. And I feel like they probably named a shade after the singer I really love. She's like a British singer from the UK, and I absolutely love Dido. Like, her songs are so wonderful, and there's so many to list, like from her albums. Her most recent one was called State of My Mind, and I thought that one was beautifully done, and I got to see her in concert, and it was such a great experience. Yeah, and like also I got to meet her, and I think she was like loading in her bus tour, and I got to have her signature, and it was just like a pleasure. Like, actually seeing her. She's absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, enough about Dido. I just put this in my inner corner. Okay, so I just put this on for my lips. Something very simple. This is like the classic L'Oreal Paris Shiny Balm, and this is the one called Lovely Mocha. It just goes with any eye look I have. Okay, so this is my finished eye look of the majority of using the palette, and I love all the colors all together. It seems like it's like an autumn Halloween eye look, which, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of Halloween, but if it involves autumn season, yes. So the colors are really vibrant. So far I love all the mattes. They didn't give me much trouble with the ones I used, especially like these tones, because they almost seem like they're difficult to formulate just because how rare they are with palettes. But I just love how everything just came together. And yeah, so I highly recommend this palette just from the first use. I think the hype for this one is a good one. Good news is that they'll keep restocking this palette each time it sells out. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on it, don't worry, they will definitely restock it. Okay, so I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm hoping you have a good rest of your day or night. And I'm going to say good night now. Bye. Bye. And may God bless.